How to take long screenshots on an iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can take long screenshots on an iPhone. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So if you want to take a screenshot and make sure it's a long one so that you can cover up all the pages that you want, this is what you'll need to do. So let's say that this is the page that I want to download or take a screenshot of. Normally what we do is press the volume button and the power button to take a screenshot. As you can see, I just took a screenshot. Now, there is no other option which enables you to scroll while taking a screenshot, but there is this what you can do. So just take a screenshot, press on the screenshot on the bottom left. After you press on the screenshot on the bottom left, let me just tap on that. You will see two options. One is screen, the other is full page on the top. So what you can do here is just press on the full page. After that, you can simply scroll down like this and save full page from here. So there you can see I have this contains all of the stuff that is on the page. So yeah, that is everything. We can tap on done and it should get saved on photos. So I'll just save this to my photos. You can also save it as a PDF on your files. So head over to the photos and there you can see the full page and the screenshot. And that's how you take long screenshots on an iPhone. Thanks for watching. That is it for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.